Hi, I'm Jem, a graphic designer. I hate that part. So what's up? So ayun na nga. Today yung aming graduation exhibit. So medyo matagal-tagal din namin siyang handaan since January this year. So ano nga ba mangyayari sa exhibit? I-exhibit namin yung mga projects na ginawa namin simula first year. So doon ipapakita namin yung iba't iba namin gawa na ginawa namin the whole stay namin dito sa college. And magkakaroon kami ng pagkakataon para i-share yung mga pinaghirapan namin sa pag-aaral namin ng graphic design. So yun, samahan niyo ako today. Let's go! So 3 PM pa yung mismong show, 3 to 7 PM. But ito na para mag-set up. So yun. Do you need help? So yun, tapos na yung setup. Ito yung setup. Nice. Yep. Si Zach. First year student. That's my design. Hey, bud, are you ready?
Yeah.
Nice. Hey, Dylan, how are you feeling?
Oh, I'm good. I'm good. What?
Just asking. Hey, how are you feeling? Hey, Kathleen, how are you feeling?
Anxious.
Hey, Anthony, how are you feeling?
Let's go.
Hey, Sue, how are you feeling?
Oh my god, so anxious. It's really good.
Hey, Mark, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling really nervous and really excited.
Hey, Kat, how are you feeling?
I'm good, excited. Yeah.
Hey, Ariana, how are you feeling?
Excited and nervous.
Hey, Candice, how are you feeling?
I'm very excited. I'm so glad to see everything that's come together. It's really been beyond my dreams.
Ayan, pack up na. Kamusta ate? Pagod na? How are you?
I'm tired.
Tired?
And hungry.
Yeah, me too. Pagod ka na ate?
Oh, grabe. Ba't nang...
Yeah. Pack up, pack up. How are you?
Good.
Tired?
It's tired, but it was a success.
Hey Roman, how are you? Tired?
It's okay.
How are you?
Everything went okay.
Yeah, you don't have the voice anymore.
Yeah. I can.
How are you?
Oh my gosh, excited. Not excited.
Exhausted.
Exhausted.
Yeah,
oh
exhausted.
my gosh. I don't feel my feet.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, my feet hurt, but it was really cool. Yeah.
That's Sony, my professor.
You like my work?
Go, Akshay! Go, go! This is so fun! And we're done here.
I'm hungry.
Yeah. We're done here. So ayun. Tapos na nga yung grad show and kinabukasan na to. Hindi na ako nakapag-video ulit dahil sobrang pagod. Grabe. Halos ilang oras din kami nakatayo at palakad-lakad. Kaya sobrang pagod, hindi na ako nakapag-video ulit. And yun, naging okay naman yung event. Madaming pumunta and pumunta yung mga ka-work ko, yung mga kaibigan namin dito para support syempre. Yun, maraming salamat sa pagsama sa akin sa aming grad show. And yun, salamat!
Unbound to me is breaking free from all of the creative rules to create something remarkable and to leave our mark on the designer world.
The word unbound to me means the ability to take something ordinary and push it beyond the limits that anyone could ever expect it to. When something becomes unbound, it is pushed beyond the limits, and that is exactly what us as graphic designers need to do with every single assignment that we're given.
Unbound for me is breaking boundaries, is the freedom to explore, experiment, and challenge in design rules. Just let your creativity run free and create something amazing.
To me, Unbound is the celebration of talent, the diversity of students from different countries coming together to break boundaries and to show that graphic design is still relevant up to this day.
What Unbound means to me as a graphic designer is pushing limits, breaking boundaries, and producing high-quality content. Pushing past boundaries of design into expressive, emotional, and designing on your own terms. You're not just solving problems, it's about creating new possibilities.
To me, Unbound means breaking your own limits, going beyond rules, experimenting, and constantly exploring new ways to express ideas.
To me means inspiring a sense of freedom to express oneself and having an unrestrained imagination of creating something beautiful. It's like taking risks and encouraging experimentation without fear of judgment.
For me, Unbound is an opportunity to reveal the true creative potential that each of us has and show just how creative can all of us be.
I'm Candace.
Hi, I'm Dylan.
Hi, I'm Sue.
I am Jem.
I'm Anthony.
I'm Akshar.
I am Lou.
I'm Roman, and this is
Unbound.